Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and fashion commentator, and today I'm analyzing a highly sought after aesthetic for women over 50. We are exploring late summer travel and cruise wear, outfits that perfectly balance high-end luxury with necessary comfort. Our focus is on pieces that pack light, require minimal care, and provide elegant coverage. I have curated 10 looks that are absolute masters of this balancing act, prioritized for natural aging silhouettes. Let's break down the details. First on our list, Wrinkle-Free Travel Knit Tunic Set. This ensemble is the definition of jet set utility. Observing the fluid movement on screen, this modal silk blend tunic offers a flattering vertical line, while the straight leg trousers provide incredible comfort without looking sloppy. The refined knit structure ensures it steps off the plane looking fresh and commanding. Number 2. Packable Linen Midi Shirt Dress. You simply cannot discuss resort travel without linen, and this silhouette is tailored perfectly for maturity. The midi length offers optimal coverage, while the unstructured, tailored cut allows for essential airflow. By using a pre-washed, crinkle linen blend, you get the chic look of linen without the demanding maintenance. Number 3. Elegant Jet Set Pleated Palazzo Coordinates. This look brings maximum drama and authority. What makes this set exceptional for mature women is the micro pleat structure. It provides endless elasticity and forgiveness around the hips and waist, while still creating a statuesque, elongated presence. The fluid movement of the palazzo pants is mesmerizing on camera. Number 4. Lightweight Navy Nautical Vacation Kaftan. A vacation staple refined for sophistication. This navy blue linen gauze kaftan masterfully achieves elegance with minimal effort. The loose, unstructured fit offers complete comfort and breathability in high humidity, and the deep V neckline elegantly opens the posture. The subtle texture gives it a high-end artisan feel. Number 5. Airy Crinkle Gauze Airport Culotte Suit. This coordinate set is engineered for long-haul travel comfort. The soft cotton gauze fabric provides incredible ventilation and softness against the skin. We have designed the culottes with a flattering wide leg cut that hits the lower calf, ensuring it doesn't drag while providing modesty and temperature regulation in air-conditioned cabins. Number 6. Luxury Cruise Dinner Silk Slip Overlay. This combination serves as a spectacular option for an elegant evening. Instead of heavy embroidery, it relies on the understated luxury of draped silk. The sheer georgette overlay provides beautiful arm and shoulder coverage while allowing the luminous silk slip to shine beneath, creating a flattering, layered depth. Number 7. Sophisticated Tan Travel Duster and Trousers. This trio is all about confidence. Observing the structural tan linen duster jacket, it instantly elevates a simple tunic and straight leg trousers. This ensemble prioritizes structure over silhouette, using tailored lines and rich textures to create a cohesive, old money travel aesthetic. Number 8. Breathable Coastal Striped Linen Jumpsuit. A modern, youthful option that remains perfectly age appropriate. This wide leg jumpsuit uses strategic vertical stripes to elongate the frame, while the comfortable drawstring waist provides a customizable fit. The loose fit linen fabric ensures optimal airflow, making it the ideal choice for exploring coastal towns. Number 9. Relaxed Resort Fit Tailored Knit Cardigan Dress. This piece represents the pinnacle of casual luxury. The lightweight rib knit provides exceptional comfort and elasticity, while the subtle tailoring creates a sophisticated structured silhouette. This dress can seamlessly transition from a morning walk to a casual lunch, offering continuous comfort and class. And finally, number 10. Elegant Alabaster Packable Maxi Silhouette. Wrapping up our travel guide with a beautiful, luminous classic. This alabaster white modal silk maxi dress relies purely on masterful draping. The relaxed, tiered skirt provides fluid motion and breathability, and the soft V neckline grounds the posture with confidence. This dress is simply captivating in natural light. Reviewing these 10 breathtaking options, My professional takeaway as a fashion expert is that successful travel style in the mature years is about mastering the balance between breathability and structure. We must choose fabrics that move with us and silhouettes that provide graceful coverage without sacrificing sophistication. Global trends continue to move toward quiet luxury, emphasizing high-quality natural fibers, rich textures, and understated elegance over complex patterns or heavy details. Which of these travel looks resonated most with you? Please share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this fashion analysis, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more style inspiration. Thanks for watching.